Are you ready to roll after winter? Welcome back. I'm Tracy Combs with IDEAL A&M. Many of you have experienced some snow and heavy winds, or maybe some of you have just seen a barrage of rain where the fields are still soggy. Kicking back during these few early months of the year really can delay your return to the fields. Or we could use this valuable time and keep tabs on our exposed equipment. Today we're going to talk about your wheels and tires. With technology and updated modifications to your field equipment, did one consider if your wheels and tires were capable of handling the additional weight? Everyone's excited for the new capabilities for their pending 2020 season, but if we don't check the tire and wheel condition, you could be putting yourself in a situation where a tire failure might occur, or even worse, damage to your new and trusty equipment. So here's a checklist when reviewing your tires this winter season. First, look for cuts, snags, or tears in the tire tread or sidewall. Look for wear that could expose the tire fabric or steel. The condition and the tire and the status of the ground where it sits, being wet, dry, or oversaturated, can determine the replacement of that tire too. Age of the tire can also be a factor, so if the tire is approaching about 10 years, I would recommend change and replacement. Checking those wheels too can also be damaged, and seals can also wear out over time. Also, when updating your field equipment, many have dual tire sets. Make sure both those tires are in good shape, as just one tire is not going to be capable of handling the equipment structure and weight. Also, look at the inside of the wall of the dual tires so that no unseen damage is present. Don't let one tire that only has 50% of that life ruin the other, as wear patterns can eventually cause premature damage or failure. So make sure that inflated pressure is also at recommended levels and that matches the axle weight too. Know your tires. Some have lower operating pressures and have a different high axle load rating. Just like when you're changing a tire on your own vehicle, it's best to check those lug nuts and wheel weights too. Again, this can prevent many forms of failure and major damage from occurring. So keep your eyes on the prize for the upcoming spring and do these preventative measures to keep your tractor and equipment rolling through the field this summer. Thank you for watching.